For most of human history, the setting sun brought an abrupt end to the day. If you wanted to read, work, or move safely after dark, you were at the mercy of flickering candles, smoky oil lamps, or dangerous gas jets. These sources were dim, expensive, and a constant fire hazard. Imagine a life where half of every year was spent in near total darkness. But in the late 19th century, everything changed. One invention didn't just light up a room, it literally doubled the time available for human productivity. It turned the night into an extension of the day, conquering the shadows that had constrained us since the dawn of time. The light bulb was the spark that ignited the modern world. The quest for a practical electric light wasn't the work of a single man, but a fierce scientific race. The challenge wasn't just creating light, it was keeping it from burning out. Inventors knew that running electricity through a filament would make it glow, but the heat would cause it to incinerate almost instantly. Pioneers like Joseph Swan in England and Thomas Edison in America were locked in a battle to find the perfect material. They needed something that could withstand intense heat in a vacuum without disintegrating. Edison's lab tested thousands of materials, even beard hair, before finding success with carbonized cotton thread and later bamboo. By pumping the air out of the glass bulb to create a vacuum, they finally achieved a glow that lasted for hundreds of hours. In 1879, the world finally had a reliable, long-lasting light that didn't flicker with the wind or soot the ceiling. The impact was immediate and seismic. Artificial light transformed the very fabric of society. For the first time, factories could operate through the night, giving birth to the 24-hour workday and the modern shift system. Social life moved indoors, fueling the growth of theaters, restaurants, and late-night gatherings. Cities became safer as streetlights chased away the gloom of crime-ridden alleys. But the bulb needed more than just a socket. It needed a source. This demand led to the creation of the first massive electrical grids. Entire industries sprang up to manufacture wires, generators, and appliances, turning electricity into the lifeblood of the global economy. We didn't just change how we saw the world, we changed how we powered it, setting the stage for every electronic device you use today. Today, the warm glow of the incandescent bulb has mostly given way to the hyper-efficiency of LEDs, which use a fraction of the energy and last for decades. Yet, the core legacy remains. We are no longer slaves to the rotation of the Earth. We have conquered the night. If you're glad you don't have to read by candlelight, hit the like button and subscribe. Tell us in the comments, what's one thing you couldn't do if the world went dark at 6 p.m.? Join us in the next episode as we move from the glow of the bulb to the microscopic battlefield of medicine, exploring the accidental miracle that saved billions of lives, penicillin.